What a good choice that is.
Yeah, that'll be a fun one to do. And I cannot agree more with you. Caught it way too fat, Phil, and that's probably why.
And talking of which, here is that deciding rack, which is well developed.
Match. Suto struggling the last several events.
There's Ko Ping Han, the youngest of the Ko brothers. He's just beaten Devin Pot.
Year or so. Full of talent, been around. That's the side pockets Phil and I constantly discuss. If you catch, you have to bank this long. He is just off. I've noticed this in the last couple of matches. I feel like he's fatigued.
Oh, but Quentin Ponga's just not taking.
Yeah, how did he do? It's as good as you can get from there.
Well, not a clean rack, is it this? Errors all over the shop.
So I can't fault him for taking the bank on.
But those mistakes have not prevented.
Big as the Moscone Cup one day, maybe bigger.
Force he did. As you've seen so far, has a tendency to hit the balls very hard.
Oh, clever play. Very clever with the inside ball. This match and how Chua's feeling.
He does have some pedigree. He was a...
Killing two birds with...
two matches. That...
Well, I think that was actually favorable. Believe he's a little bit tired. It's okay if he can squeeze through this match. I'm speaking of Chua.
Ponga's that.
By any means. Okay, well, we know that.
Couple of second round results for you. Sanyan, no, and Perlovanovic and Bash will go head to head in winners.
Oh, that was actually done very well. Not saying it's bad by any means, just a little bit different.
Yeah, I mentioned his run to the semi-final of the European Under-23 Championship in 2023.
Fortunately, the 7 is where it is.
That's how good he is. Oh!
One.
I could tell the way you were talking there, Scott. You... Yeah, when you watch as much pool as we do, incidents are quintessential turning points.
Yeah, and Sergio Rivas had just defeated Pius Labutis, and I believe he is down 4 games to 1. Couldn't reach it. Really good speed.
Pulled away to win 13-6. Oh, but things are going against Chua. And there's another example.
If he doesn't get out, it really will most likely be a turning point.
He's got the capabilities to compete, get better, rise the rankings.
Yeah, actually, it's going somewhere near it.
Where's that cue ball going? Oh,
And if there was ever a time to beat Johann Chua,
9-6 he won that. Brothers. We're not too far from the city of brotherly love.
yeah, back out towards the center here. Pretty good. Like Phil just said, I agree. I don't think you had to scratch on that 9. It was business with the high cue ball. Oh my good.
Fongers now.
All right, he's got it down. Actually caught that a little thin, but going to be just fine. Excuse me, a little.
Name to go there if you were to be beaten.
Might be forced to roll to the upper right.
Yes, when a shot clock is in operation. Especially the ones who aren't used to it.
Rack number 8.
Noel Jewell, a former champion earlier. Well, just as you said, Scott, the one was going
Between the 8 and 9.
on table 2. Vitali 13 to trail 8-5.
And then table 4, Billy Thorpe.
Still think Chua can get this job done. But he's
Pretty cool. Actually got the 4 out because it didn't pass the 7. That was all by design.
And you made a point earlier, Scott. He's definitely playing very, very quickly. Gorst pulled a shot off.
Well, I'll say huevos to just shoot that with a roll ball, and that's what he did.
Just the... One in the...
Yeah, he needs to bring the power here. I think it's just going to arrive in time. Phil, you get the feeling, I don't know if you feel it like...
Yeah, I thought when he went that it was going to be a... On with you now. I think the pendulum has swung.
Oh, and there's a little feather from, barring any miracle, I think that...
He's played.
He knew all along. All right, versus Thorpe. Khalid Al-Ghamdi. Hill, he's broken, made.
Here, Oh, and in a moment he could be disappointed.
Yeah, you know, it's got to rattle the system just a little bit. Well, you've got another look. When you did this, is a big shot. Just doesn't want to fall extremely straight here, and he did.
4. Not the most powerful.
Yeah, he was trying to make that the upper left clear. Really no excuses for Pongers. He's been in the driver's seat. Jeez, he thumped that one. Between the 5 and 7 here. Don't have to get too quick.
One of those matches, Scott, where you're expecting.
Yeah, it was the missed 7, then the missed 6, both in the side from Chua.
This winning streak
Kind of surprised me at the pace he was hitting it, because both of
for parity. Felix Vogel.
soft again. Johann's level, Pongers knows. I mean, you have to know.
The way things have gone in this match, the one he had, the one he still got. Remember Pongers led forward. If the two,
Especially under the circumstances. Yeah, you can just see, you know, those veins, right? He just really starts to pick it up. Really big swings in this match. For Pongers, he would love a good night's rest.
That was terrific in this.